Hi guys, so a few of you have asked me how the peach color corrector works, so I thought it would be great to do a demonstration. This is a very intense peach color corrector which can be diluted if you have less intense dark circles. It's just a tiny little dab. I always use the ring finger because that's how you exert the least pressure. Now moving on. Okay, so I'm just going to treat the left eye first, and this is the Soft Smooth Cosmeceutical Blender with microfibrillae fibers that helps to disperse the pigment, giving an airbrush finish. So I'm just going to use the concealer tip